Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today, two lost trades, and I'm back in minus on the account. Nice, bruh. Nice. Really? Oh, wow. Nice. Super nice. Wow, nice. Let's fucking go. Alright. Radishes. Okay. Basically, so this was the first trade entry, as you can see right here, 0.15% risk, which is a bit more than I usually risk. I usually try to go for a 0.12% risk, so pretty low risk because um, I'm just trying to improve my psychology and stuff like that. So I'm going low risk to see how I react off of market movement, and you know what I'm saying, like I'm just trying to learn about my psychology and not really try to make the big bucks right now. And then this is the second trade, half of the risk, so 0.07%. So my risk management was kinda alright, I guess. I risked half on the second trade, so that was okay. Today, bruh, what the fuck is this price action, dude? Like, let me go on the high time frames and clear up my chart. Before market opened, I just saw upwards movement. We had this right here is the weekly opening gap. Because I don't have the premium version of TradingView, it's actually doesn't show up a gap because I have to use like one of these like cheap ass for like free charts, and these aren't future charts, so they don't show the actual gap that is built up after the weekend. But this is basically, oh wait, I can show it on this one. So this is the delayed chart, but you can see right here there's a big gap. This is the weekly opening gap, and what I tried to do, or what I wanted to see, was either we keep going upwards, so we get a retrace and then move a further like to the upside, and or we get some kind of like reaction off of like London highs or something, like we sweep out London highs and then move to the downside, which we kinda had, I guess. But so this was London highs. We smashed through it to the upside, and we built. I didn't count this as SMT because we made equal highs on S&P 500, and I don't actually know if I have to count this as a SMT or not. If I counted this actually, I would have probably taken a short trade right here, like somewhere around here. I would have probably taken a short trade. Why? Because we got the SMT, we got the liquidity sweep. What am I looking for next? I'm just looking for a retrace into a fair value gap, or maybe an inverse fair value gap, and then the first bearish close, or maybe even the change of character right here. And then we even have a maybe 2 RR trade right here. Not quite, but like a 1.8 risk to reward, which is actually pretty good. So I don't know. I need to backtest if it's still a SMT, if it counts as SMT, if you don't actually sweep the high. Because I mean, equal highs with equal highs and equal lows, it's like we didn't sweep the high yet. So I mean, kinda, I guess it is SMT. I don't know, but I didn't count this, so I was waiting for some kind of other confluences and shit like that. And what I got was, we got a retrace into this 15-minute fair value gap. We got this retrace into this 15-minute fair value gap and into the 0.618 Fibonacci. Then we got a retrace, not a retrace, we got a change of character to the upside. And I was like, okay, 3 confluences, 4 actually, sorry. We also had this SMT right here. As you can see, big ass SMT that we built up to like a bullish SMT. So I was like, okay, I will take a long trade if we get a retrace downwards and then a reaction off of that. And what did we get? We got, like, this is the upwards movement right here. Then we had this retrace down, but I wanted to see some kind of other confluences, maybe like a change of character or something. And this is where we got it. Like with this candle, we changed character to the oh yeah. All right, we changed character on S&P, and that's why I entered on Nasdaq too, because I was like, okay, S&P is showing bullish signs, so let me just like take the trade on Nasdaq because I prefer Nasdaq, especially if it's the leading index on the S&P, and we got a fair value gap fill and a 0.618 retrace. So I took the trade on Nasdaq right here, entered, and got fucked up right here. Not bro, what the fuck? Down here. I don't know what the problem was with this trade. I mean, I guess possibly the mistake was that I kind of like ignored S&P, and on S&P we got this retrace to the upside with this candle, even filled a high time frame fair value gap, tapped into this inverse fair value gap. So I guess this should have been a sign for me to maybe not take a long trade, even if we got this S&P divergence, because the higher time frames are still bearish and the higher time frames want to push to the downside. So this might have been a mistake on the first one, and also like the higher risk that I took, because I shouldn't have went so high with the risk. Second trade that I took was, I mean, it was like a revenge trade probably. I just re-entered right here, like not re-entered right. I actually re-entered right after. I legit entered. Okay, yeah, I re-entered. Yeah, okay. The reason was, I actually had some good reasons for it. We had this inverse fair value gap right here. Which one is it? Yeah, this one. Oh yeah, oh, on the last trade we also had this inverse fair value gap, which we disrespected. So that was another confluence. So we had enough confluence actually. And yeah, so the second trade I took was basically when I saw that we retraced into the 0.618 and into this inverse fair value gap, 3-minute inverse fair value gap, and I entered right after this bullish close right here. It wasn't actually a bad trade, like even for a re-entry and like I guess a bit emotional trade, it wasn't a bad trade at all, because I actually waited for, like, this is like some nice confluences, right? Especially if we had this SMT and shit like that beforehand. So it was actually a pretty okay trade, and right now we are, oh, market is just chopping right here. S&P kind of choppy. Yeah, so basically this is the two trades I took today. Kind of hurts losing both of them. I mean, I can show you guys the data on my account. So this is a new account actually. Start date you can see October 17th, and we have October 28th, so around like a bit more than a week, around 73, 8, yeah, around like 10 days, 11 days. So not many trades taken. As you can see, but basically I'm down $7 right now, and yeah, that's basically all of it for today. Tomorrow I don't know if I can. Oh yeah, right here you probably saw the P&L. Tuesday, Wednesday, tomorrow's Wednesday. We got FOMC coming out. I know, like I will get on the charts, but I won't try to push any trade. Yeah, so that's basically all of it. So month of October is looking like this. I will post my P&L again on Instagram. I mean, you can check it out. But it's basically the same thing as here. Nothing changes. And yeah, that's basically it. Tomorrow will hopefully be a better day. The recent trades I took were actually all pretty good. Good risk management. Like, I mean, today was a bit like more risk than I actually wanted to, but I risked half of my half of the account size that I did on the first trade today, so it was okay. And then yeah, that's basically all of it for today. See you guys hopefully tomorrow or in 2 days. Oh, 2 days? Yeah, probably. I don't know. See you guys then. Check out. No, don't check out anything. Like, check out my Instagram, I guess, but I don't post anything on there. So yeah, see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.